Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Libman mop is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a spotless home, and choosing the right one can make all the difference in your cleaning routine. With a variety of models designed for different floor types and cleaning needs, Libman offers solutions that promise efficiency and durability, ensuring that your floors not only look great but are also hygienically clean. This review will dive deep into what makes a Libman mop stand out in a crowded market, helping you make an informed decision for your household. Number 5. Libman Tornado Mop Refill 3-Pack. Refresh your mop with this direct replacement head. It's designed to fit your original mop perfectly, ensuring it performs like new. Experience 50% more floor coverage with this mop head. It effectively traps dirt and moisture, allowing you to clean more area in less time. Made from a durable blend of polyester and yarn, this refill is machine washable up to 25 times. Simply hang or air dry it after washing. This mop head is ideal for a variety of surfaces. It adapts to all your cleaning needs, from vinyl and tile to wood and stone. Effortlessly swap out your old mop head with this new one. It's easy to attach and remove, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning experience. This pack comes with 3 replacement heads. Keep your mop ready for any cleaning task with this convenient set. What we like. This mop refill offers significantly more floor coverage, meaning you can clean larger areas faster. It's also machine washable for easy reuse and suitable for a wide variety of floor types. If you have a large home or want to cut down on cleaning time, this is a great option. What people say. These heads are so great to be able to throw into the washer and use over and over until they need to be replaced. Dries quickly, easy to clean and use. This product means you never get your hands wet. Number 4. Libman Freedom Spray Mop Kit. Meet the Libman Freedom Spray Mop Kit, your new partner in home cleaning. This innovative mop is designed to make your floors sparkle with ease. Its reusable microfiber pad effectively traps dirt and absorbs moisture, leaving your floors impeccably clean. You'll love how it tackles everyday messes. The refillable 24-ounce solution tank gives you the freedom to use your favorite cleaning solution. Clean your home exactly how you prefer for the best results. With a 360-degree swivel neck, this mop easily maneuvers around furniture and into tight spaces. Achieve precise control and clean every corner effortlessly. This versatile mop is built for various surfaces, including wood, laminate, tile, and stone. It ensures a spotless finish without any risk of damage. It comes with 3 machine washable microfiber refill pads, each usable up to 50 times. Enjoy long-lasting performance and value with this USA-made tool. What we like. This spray mop allows you to use your preferred cleaning solution and features a swivel neck for easy maneuvering around furniture. It comes with multiple washable mop pads. If you like to customize your cleaning solutions or have a lot of tight spaces to clean, this mop offers great flexibility. What people say. It is lightweight, easy to use, and cleans the floor very well. It picks up dirt and dust quickly, and it's easy to rinse and dry. The handle is strong and comfortable to hold. It saves me time when cleaning, and the floor dries fast after mopping. The sprayer still works like a dream. Basically no assembly required. The mop heads are washable. You have 3 so you can rotate and clean while others are being washed. Sprays a nice range of fine mist. Doesn't scratch my floors. Trigger handle is easy to pull. Handle is tall enough for everyone and yet still easy to use for my little kids. Number 3. Libman Tornado Mop Refills. Introducing the Libman Tornado Mop Refills. These are designed to make your cleaning routine more efficient and effective. These mop heads are perfect for a variety of hard surfaces including hardwood, vinyl, and tile. They offer excellent cleaning performance on most floors. Experience a quicker clean with a mop head that provides 50% more floor coverage. Its absorbent design tackles messes with ease. Our grip and click system means you never have to touch a dirty mop head again. This innovative feature ensures a hygienic and convenient cleaning experience. These cotton mop heads are both hand and machine washable. Simply hang them to dry to keep them in top condition for your next use. This pack includes 4 direct replacement heads for your tornado mop. You get the same high-quality clean with these durable and convenient refills. What we like. This mop head features an innovative self-wringing system, so you never have to touch a dirty mop head again. It's highly absorbent and comes with 4 replacement heads. If you dislike the mess and hassle of traditional wringing, this mop provides a cleaner and more convenient experience. What people say. The mop head is made of microfiber and is very absorbent, making it great for cleaning up spills. The mop has a built-in scrubber that helps to remove tough dirt and grime. The handle is adjustable, so you can customize it to your height for comfortable use. Number 2. Libman Tornado Spin Mop System. Introducing the Libman Tornado Spin Mop System, a versatile floor cleaning kit. It's designed for efficiency, keeping your floors spotless with minimal effort. The ultra-absorbent microfiber mop head lifts and traps dirt and water, helping floors dry faster. It comes with an extra refill, recommended to be replaced every 3 months. This spinning mop and bucket set lets you control the mop's moisture to suit your needs. Simply push the handle into the spin chamber for a damp or drier mop. The easy-to-use spinning chamber quickly removes excess water and dirt from the mop head. This cuts down drying time and keeps your hands dry for a mess-free experience. It provides gentle yet effective cleaning on a variety of surfaces like hardwood, tile, and laminate. The bucket holds up to 2 gallons of water and has a convenient pour spout. What we like. This is a complete system with a bucket and a mop that uses spinning technology to control moisture. The microfiber head is very absorbent and dries floors quickly. If you're looking for an efficient, all-in-one solution for quick floor drying and easy wringing, this spin mop system is ideal. What people say. The Libman mop is significantly better than the O-Cedar and my floors come out clean and dry quickly. The best part is, it doesn't collapse while I'm washing the floor. The spin bucket works really well, makes wringing easy, and leaves my floors clean without soaking them. It's lightweight, easy to use, and definitely makes mopping less of a chore. The spin wringer is brilliant. Number 1. Libman Rinse and Wring Mop and Bucket System. Experience a deeper clean with this all-in-one mop and bucket system. It includes everything you need for a spotless home, even 2 machine-washable microfiber mop head refills. This innovative bucket features separate chambers for drying and washing your mop. Scraping blades easily clean it or control the moisture level with just 1 stroke. Customize your cleaning with a simple push of the handle. Adjust the wringer once for a damp mop or multiple times for a drier clean, perfect for any task. It's safe for all your hard surfaces, including hardwood, vinyl, laminate, and tile. This system tackles everything from everyday spills to tough messes with ease. Keep your floor spotless with this floor mop and bucket set. 2 machine-washable microfiber mop heads are included, so you always have a fresh one ready. What we like. This mop and bucket system boasts a unique dual-chamber bucket for washing and drying, along with an adjustable wringing mechanism for customized moisture levels. It includes 2 washable microfiber heads. If you appreciate a well-designed bucket system that helps control moisture and keep your cleaning water separate, this is a smart choice. What people say. This Libman mop checked all the boxes, a means of hands-free wringing and a divided bucket with a wash and rinse side that kept the mop fresh for each section mopped. The plus is the mop covers a lot of ground at once, and the bucket itself has a small footprint. If you're in a small house or apartment, this makes it ideal. After years of so many different mop wringing options, this one beats them all for thorough wringing. As a result, your floor dries faster. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.